Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute no-sew baby chick amigurumi. It's quick, beginner friendly, and you'll only need a little yarn to make this adorable round chick. Round 1. Make a magic ring. Chain 1. Work 6 single crochets into the ring. Then join with a slip stitch. You should have a total of 6 stitches. Round 2, chain 1. Increase in each stitch around. Increase means make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Use stitch marker in the first stitch of each round. You should have a total of 12 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet, then an increase, repeat around. You should have a total of 18 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Round 4, chain 1, 2 single crochets, then an increase, repeat around. You should have a total of 24 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Round 5, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch around, you should have a total of 24 stitches. Round 6, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch around. You should have a total of 24 stitches. Round 7, chain 1, 3 single crochets, then an increase, join with a slip stitch. You should have a total of 30 stitches. Round 8, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch. In the front loop of the next stitch, work a slip stitch, chain 2, and a double crochet. In the front loop of the following stitch, work a double crochet, chain 2, and a slip stitch. Each wing uses 2 stitches. Place a stitch marker in the back loop to make the next step easier. Then single crochet 13 stitches through both loops. Repeat the wing sequence once more. In the front loop of the next stitch, work a slip stitch, chain 2, and a double crochet. In the front loop of the following stitch, work a double crochet, chain 2, and a slip stitch. Finish with 12 single crochets through both loops. Join with a slip stitch. You should have 30 stitches in total. Round 9, chain 1, single crochet once, work 2 back loop single crochets under the first wing, single crochet 13, work 2 back loop single crochets under the second wing, single crochet 12, join with a slip stitch. You should have a total of 30 stitches. Round 10, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch around. you should have a total of 30 stitches. Round 11, chain 1, single crochet in each stitch around. You should have a total of 30 stitches. Round 12, chain 1, 1 single crochet, then a decrease. In this tutorial, I'm using the invisible single crochet decrease for a smoother finish. Insert your hook into the front loop of the first stitch, then into the front loop of the next, yarn over, pull through both loops, then yarn over again and pull through to complete the stitch. Repeat around. You should have a total of 20 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. So far, we finished 12 rounds. Now, insert the safety eyes between round 6 and 7, leaving 4 stitches between them. Use orange yarn to embroider the beak. Use yellow yarn to add a few strands of hair on top. Round 13, chain 1, decrease in each stitch around. Stuff the piece with polyester fiber. Join with the slip stitch. You should have a total of 10 stitches. Round 14, chain 1, work a decrease in each stitch around, 5 times in total. fasten off. And use a tapestry needle to close the round. The larger chicken amigurumi is made with mini chenille yarn, following the exact same pattern. I hope you enjoyed making this little amigurumi. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.